most people can't stand the sour taste of lemons. In fact, some can't even think of lemons without getting tight, puckered lips and squinted eyes. However, this citrus fruit offers a wide array of health benefits. It's a real pity not to take advantage of these simply because you can't stand the acidic taste. There's one way you can still reap the amazing health benefits of lemons without cringing at the thought of it, and it's to combine them with a glass of hot water, as water takes over most of the sour flavor. Is lemon water good for you? Lemon water is extremely refreshing and energizing. Plus, it's a great metabolism booster. One of the most abundant nutrients in lemons is vitamin C. A single cup of fresh lemon juice packs 187% of vitamin C RDA, recommended daily allowance. Lemon juice is also rich in potassium, magnesium and copper. But there's one common mistake most people do when it comes to lemons: they throw away the rind. Lemon peel is actually the most nutritious parts of the whole fruit. If you are preparing your lemon water by squeezing some lemon juice and mixing it with some hot or cold water, you're doing it the wrong way. Even though it seems quite simple to mix two ingredients, it's actually more to it than you think. Here we give you clear directions on how to make the perfect cup of lemon water to start your day with. The perfect lemon water recipe. Get 2 fresh organic lemons. Cut them in thin or thick slices according to preference. Squeeze some of the sliced lemons into the water. Grate the peel of the squeezed lemon pieces into the water. Put the rest of the slices in your blender bottle, mug, or travel cup. Fill up the container with either boiling hot or ice-cold water. Lemon water for the win. Lemon water offers a wide range of health benefits. For one thing, it's highly acidic, which promotes healthy digestion. Plus, it slows down absorption of food, conserving insulin stores in the body and ensuring optimal food processing. Moreover, lemon water prevents waste or retention and boosts metabolism. Lemon water is always the winning combination. Start your day with a glass of it and boost your health on many levels.